Hello friends, welcome to today's fun English learning video. In this video, we will learn preposition with the help of pictures. So let's start. On the box, in the box, between the boxes, in front of box, behind the box, beside the box, next to box, far from the box, out of the box, around the box, get through, across the bridge, over the box, under the box, among all, up in the sky, down from the sky, opposite by lane, off from the box, towards the box, by the box, onto the box, below the box, past by box, before, after, away from home, in the middle of, at the door, near the canal. Let's learn the more preposition examples. The book is about animal. The helicopter flew above the clouds. Mary went abroad. The house is beyond hill. The bridge goes across the river. The chair is against the wall. They walk along the river. Call me before you leave. She came back school a while ago. Let's meet after school. She worked as teacher. Put your laptop away. I slept during the movie. She is girl amongst women. The letter was beneath the pile of books. Everyone is here except John. My wallet is next to pen. It seems warm outside. She has been here since 5 o'clock. Owing to the rain, the soccer match was cancelled. He placed the book upon the shelf. I am going with my friend. She arrived within 10 minutes. She went out without her keys. We waited until midnight. Thanks for watching and listening. Subscribe for such more videos.